Counts. Tahitian Bridalveil, 11. Green Wandering Jew, 11. Purple Wandering Jew, this variety, I actually wouldn't mind having about 20 of them. Spider plants, we just need a total of 10 of each kind of the variegated and probably only 8 of the non-variegated. So you see those right there. These sold pretty good last year, so we want, I would say, 20 in the 6-inch pot. Ferns, I want to have 40 full-grown ferns. So it may be that when we divide the other ones up, that we even put 3 of these 6-inch pots together. As for the Purple Heart perennial, I would like to have 20 in a 6-inch pot of those. I would like to have 15, or really 2 of these trays full of that English variegated ivy. These we need to completely redo and really just have 2 trayfuls also in the 4-inch size. The cactus, I would say, let's only have about, let's see, right there we have 3, 6, 9, 12 in the 6-inch pot, which we don't need to make any more of those. These did not really sell that well, so let's only have about 10 of those. There's that Purple Heart again. Mosquito plants, as many as we can get. So we need to propagate the mess out of mosquito plants up until Christmas break. Kalanchoe, we're just going to do these kind of as they come up. I would say that we're striving to get about 30, but for this next plant sale, let's try to get at least 12 of them. Moon plants, I think we've got about 2 different varieties. You've got this, they're a little bit thicker, those are a little bit lighter. If we could have in 6-inch pots, have 15 of each variety, that would be good. Jade plants, I want to get those up to a 6-inch pot. Again, about 12 of those. These hairy guys, probably not going to get that many this year. We're going to start off with just 5 hanging basket worth of those. Sedum, we want 12. These, we're going to continue to propagate. I think this is another one of those that we're going to start off with a small number. Maybe just 6-inch pots, 9 of each. Absolutely no more spider plants. We're done with those. No more of these Batman begonias. These guys right here, we've got to pinch back. So I think that's another start completely over. These guys right here also did not sell as well, so let's actually try to get those to hanging basket. Maybe that will sell better this year, and let's only have 4 or 5 hanging baskets worth of those. Walking houseplant, or stick houseplant, I can't remember the name of this one. Let's try to get these in 4-inch pots, but let's do 9 of those. As far as these, we're not really at the point that we want to sell them, but I want to have at least 5 per Horticulture 1 class, and I have 2 Horticulture 1 classes now. So we need to air layer this one for 1, this one for 2. Don't worry about the small ones. And then you probably can air layer, I see 3 spots in here that can be air layered. Christmas cactus, we're going to worry about those after the spring plant sale, so we'll just need to get those together. That's also a rubber plant that can be propagated. If you can get some more 4-inch pots of this variegated ivy, that would be great. And all of these houseplants back here, let's try to get them to the 6-inch level that are big. So don't bump them up until they're good and a big size, and we'll just have 10 of each of those. And skunk plants, we no longer want skunk plants, so those need to be completely done away with. Again, 9 of these peperomia here as well.